Yes. Hi viewers. Welcome to Hotspot Programming. Today I am going to explain filter method in JavaScript. Filter method creates a new array containing only the elements from the original array that passes a given condition. It does not modify the original array. It throws new array or it creates new array. Syntax. We'll see syntax. Okay. Filter. Okay. Yeah, syntax of filter. Syntax array dot filter of function of element comma index comma array. Okay, here return true to keep the elements, false to remove elements. Okay, yes, this is a syntax for filter, and we'll see an example. Or I think you have aware about these, what is element, what is index, what is array, right? I'll write again here. Element means current item in the array. Okay, index means position of the current item, and array means the original array. Okay, here element means current item of the array, index means position of the current item. Okay, array means original array. Okay, element, index, array. Okay, and we'll see an example. Is for filter numbers greater than 10. Okay, first we'll take an array that numbers equal to some 5 comma 12 comma 8 comma 20 comma 3. Okay, these are the numbers we have taken. So we have to filter greater than 10. What are the elements we have greater than 10 that we have to display? Okay, let big nums equal to numbers dot filter of num arrow function num is greater than 10. So what we have written here, our array filter of Num means element means current item of the array, means first one it will come, and first one means 5, right? 5 greater than 10, it was false, so 5 will not execute. 12, next item is 12, 12 greater than 10, yeah, true, then it will execute. It will come. 8 greater than 10 is false, and it will not execute. 20, 20 greater than 10 is true, it will come. 3, 3 greater than 10 is false, so here 12 and 20 are the greater than 10, right? So those will execute. Console.log of big nums. Okay, big nums. So it will check now. We got 12 and 20. Okay, 12 and 20 are greater than 10. And we'll check this our original array is changed or not. It will not change. We'll check here. Console.log of original. Okay, O capital. Okay, original. Numbers on the right. Yeah, we'll check now. It was not changed, it was created new array. Okay, and comment this one, and we'll go to another example, that was filter even numbers. Okay, here we'll take an example. For example, we have an array of numbers. Okay, nums equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. So 6 numbers in an array. Let events equal to nums dot filter of n plus 2 the triple equal to 0. Okay, console.log of events. So we'll clear this one. See here, what are the even numbers? Divisible by 2, those are even numbers, right? 2, 4, 6, these are the even numbers. See, something happened here. Oh, sorry, we directly wrote the condition without giving the element, without passing argument, we directly given. Sorry. Yeah, see here, 2, 4, 6 are the even numbers. Okay, divisible by 2 is even number. We'll comment this one, and we'll see one more example. Okay, we'll see one more example, that is filter objects by properties. Okay, here we are taking one array of objects users equal to, sorry, array of object, right? Name LG active true. Okay, and we are taking one more object, name Bob. Okay, active files, and another object, name Charlie, and active true. Okay, this is the array. Okay, this is our array. Here I'm going to filter active users, active users equal to users dot filter of user means element. Okay, user dot active, user dot active, then only it will execute active. If active is true, then only it will show display. Okay, console dot log of, yeah, clear this one. We'll execute this one first. Something happen, active users, sorry, active users. Yeah, see here we got two objects. First one is LG true, and second one Charlie true, and this was false, right? First it will check first one, first element, first object. In first object what we are getting, active, user dot active, it was checking, it was true, then it was executed. And second one is false, it was removed. And third one is true, it was executed. Okay, that's it from this video, guys. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe Hotspot Programming. If you have any doubts, please comment below. Thank you.